Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we are making another summer refreshing drink. This is a grape punch with a blend of vanilla ice cream. To make this recipe, you need to cook some grapes. So here I have used some seedless grapes. Add some sugar and some water. Mix it and allow it to boil. Once the water starts to boil, cover it and cook the grapes. After some time you can see the grapes have changed its color and the water turns to beautiful purple color. Now the grapes are cooked. Now transfer that into a bowl and allow it to cool down. Then keep that in freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, take the grapes with the water into a blender. Add some frozen milk and some vanilla ice cream. No need to add sugar because we cooked the grapes in sugar syrup. Now blend it and strain it. Now pour it into a glass. Top it up with some vanilla ice cream and garnish it with a grape. And there you go, our grape punch is ready. This was the drink which I used to make during my school days and it was a hit in my family. And later on, all my family functions used to start with this welcome drink. So definitely try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.